Hello and welcome to this video where we will explore the many benefits of doing boxing every day. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just looking to add a new workout to your routine, boxing is a high-intensity workout that provides numerous benefits to your body and mind. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why you should be hitting the gloves every day. Full body workout. Boxing workouts offer more than just physical benefits. They provide a holistic approach to fitness that engages the body and mind. From cardiovascular conditioning to muscle engagement and stress relief, boxing's full body workout encompasses a range of advantages. Whether you're seeking to enhance your endurance, tone your muscle, or simply experience the thrill of an intense workout, lacing up your gloves and stepping into the ring might be your next step towards a healthier and stronger you. Improves coordination. Boxing is more than just a display of brute strength, it's a finesse of coordination. The sport hones the intricate dance of body movements, leading to enhanced hand-eye coordination, refined footwork, and improved spatial awareness. The coordination developed in the boxing gym spills over into various facets of life, reminding us that mastering the art of precision is a journey worth taking. Whether you're donning gloves for fitness or pursuing the sport professionally, the benefits of improved coordination are bound to make a significant impact, both in and out of the ring. Stress relief. Boxing's unique combination of physical exertion, mental focus, and emotional release makes it an exceptional tool for managing and alleviating stress. Beyond its physical benefits, the sport provides a holistic approach to well-being, nurturing both the body and the mind. Whether you're a seasoned boxer or a newcomer to the sport, stepping into the ring can offer a rejuvenating escape from the strains of everyday life, reminding us that in the midst of chaos, serenity can be found in the rhythm of a well-placed punch. Increases endurance. Boxing offers more than just a fierce physical challenge. It's a pathway to elevated endurance. By engaging your cardiovascular system, strengthening your muscles, and honing your mental toughness, boxing prepares you to withstand extended periods of physical activity. Whether you're striving for athletic achievements or simply aiming to lead a more active lifestyle, the endurance gained from boxing can empower you to tackle challenges with unyielding determination. Builds confidence. Beyond its reputation as a combat sport, boxing serves as a catalyst for building unshakable confidence. The discipline, physical growth, mental fortitude, and sense of achievement that boxing nurtures intertwine to create a profound impact on your self-assurance. As you lace up your gloves and step into the gym, you're not only training your body, you're forging a path to a more confident, empowered version of yourself that extends well beyond the four corners of the ring. In conclusion, there are many reasons why you should be doing boxing every day. From improving coordination and relieving stress to building confidence and increasing endurance, boxing provides numerous benefits to both the body and mind. So, if you're looking for a new workout to add to your routine, consider giving boxing a try. With its high-intensity, full-body workout, boxing is a great way to stay in shape and challenge yourself every day. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Stay fit and stay healthy.